On the occasion of Republic Day Parade, India will be showcasing its might, and in terms of weapon systems, what we see here is the BrahMos mobile autonomous launcher along with the BrahMos missiles. And this time, BrahMos is all the more important because India is getting into a deal with Indonesia, what we are learning from the sources, because the Indonesian president will be the chief guest this Republic Day, and India is on the verge of finalizing this deal with Indonesia for the BrahMos missiles. And it will be the second country after Philippines to which India will be selling the BrahMos missiles. And when we talk of BrahMos, it is cruise missile, supersonic cruise missile, and the ranges have been enhancing test after test, so from 300 to 800. And now we also see that India is working on the next generation BrahMos missile, that would be BrahMos NG. There are three versions of BrahMos missiles. One, the shore-based or the land-based. Other one is the ship-based. The third one is the air-launched BrahMos. And BrahMos, which has been made by India and Russia in a joint collaboration, happens to be the most successful cruise missile. And a number of countries, including Indonesia, Philippines, other countries like Vietnam, have showed interest in BrahMos missile. And when we talk about India's increasing might, India's increasing Atmanirbharta, BrahMos is one such weapon in which a number of countries are interested. So on the occasion of Republic Day, we will be seeing the BrahMos missiles being a part of this Republic Day parade, along with other modern weapon systems that have been inducted into the Indian Army recently. As we see, a modernization drive is on, and that too with the Shakti of Atmanirbharta. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Sanjeev Kumar for India Today from New Delhi.